Part about making soup is there's so much downtime that you can do all your dishes, and it doesn't even make that many dishes to begin with, and your soup is still simmering and everything is clean. Thank you to today's sponsor, which is Brooklinen. As you guys can see, I'm sitting on my bed and it's covered in the best Brooklinen bedding. If you guys haven't heard of Brooklinen, let me tell you a little bit about them. Brooklinen sells luxury quality linens at an affordable price point. This brand was started by a husband and wife in Brooklyn, New York. Brooklinen has completely cut out the middleman, meaning they manufacture their bedding responsibly and efficiently, which means they can offer super high quality linens at an affordable price point. Having nice bedding is so important to me, especially because we spend a third of our life in our bed, and my bed is like my safe space. So obviously I want to have nice linens. High quality bedding can get super expensive, especially if you have a larger bed. But Brooklinen's goal is to get you high quality, hotel worthy sheets at a lower price. A bundle for your bed that would normally be $500–600 other places is just $200 to $250 on Brooklinen. I have the Luxe Hardcore sheet bundle and the duvet cover. I am obsessed with this fabric. I used to be a linen sheet kind of gal, and ever since I got this Luxe set from Brooklinen, I am a changed woman. Literally feels like I'm in a hotel bed, but better because I'm in my own home. I mean, it is nice to stay at hotels sometimes, but like nothing hits like your own bed. Brooklinen has bundles, so you can get your sheets and your pillowcases and your duvet in a bundle, and you save a lot of money by doing that rather than just like buying individual pieces. If you guys want to try Brooklinen and get your hands on the Hardcore Luxe bundle or one of their classic bundles or their linen bundles, or if you need new towels or loungewear, click the link in my description and use my code, which I will put here on the screen as well as down below, and you can get 20% off orders over $100. I want to go and take a nap now because I'm sitting in my bed and talking about my sheets and how much I love my bed, and I'm like, a nap sounds amazing. Anyways, thank you so much to Brooklinen for sponsoring this video. That's all.
Good. That's a problem. You really want to feel that you're going back.
But can I step in with my right foot?
just got the most exciting package that I've probably ever received. I'm so excited about this farm box from Flamingo Estate. I'm pretty sure this is bread. This is information on all the produce that's inside the box and exactly which farms it came from, which is so cool. Oh my god. I love baby artichokes. Half a dozen eggs. Look at these peppers. Ooh, mushrooms. I've literally just been like standing here taking photos and videos and literal selfies with this farm box because it's that gorgeous. I cannot thank Flamingo Estate enough for this. This is like the shit that gets me going. Farm box haul. Anaheim peppers. Romaine lettuce. Mint. Bok choy. Oh my goodness. Radish. This all needs to be washed, so I'm just throwing it in there. We've got some delicata squash, some lion's mane, and I'm not sure what the other ones are, but oh my god. I am obsessed with mushrooms. Potatoes, quite a few tomatoes, grapes. You guys already know my favorite, leek. Just about the thickest carrots I've ever seen with some insane carrot tops. Might have to make a pesto out of that. Green kale. And then in the bottom here are all of these green beans. I'm so excited for these. I have a great recipe. A shallot, which I will use for that artichoke recipe.